What's up, Curls Crew, and welcome again to my channel. I am K Curls. Today I am going to be doing a get ready with me video. So you'll just see me putting on my makeup. This is just my routine for what I do every single day, and it works for me. So if it works for you, please keep watching. So this is my finished product.
You look beautiful, Mommy.
Oh, thank you. Well, you want to tell my fans what they need to do if they like my videos?
Yeah.
What they need to do, bud?
Guys, y'all need to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell.
Hit that notification bell. Okay? So thanks again, guys, for watching so much. And I'll see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.